Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get rolled up pants 2K26, easy method. Fold cuffs twice and press each fold flat to lock the shape. Begin with slightly damp trousers for an easier, cleaner crease that holds. Use your fingers to measure a consistent 3-5-inch roll or adjust to ankle or calf height. Finish by smoothing seams and checking balance in a mirror for a crisp, wearable result every time. There are simple techniques that change your whole look, and I will guide you through each one step by step. Learn when to choose a single wide roll versus a double narrow roll, and how fabric weight affects your choice. I explain how to adapt the roll to sneakers, loafers, or boots, and how much ankle to show. With a few quick adjustments, you can switch styles without altering your pants. Fit and fabric matter more than you might think, and Adjective LL help you pick what works best. Stiffer cotton or denim holds a roll more reliably than fluid materials. Make sure the pant length allows a clean fold without extra stacking, and consider tailoring if needed. I also cover how to balance roll thickness with your leg shape, so the result looks intentional and flattering for everyday wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.